Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Shopify on Windows. So all you have to do is simply go ahead and open up your Microsoft Edge browser here. So I'm gonna open up my Edge browser and you want to go ahead and search for Shopify. So let me go ahead and type in Shopify here, right? And you will just want to go to the Shopify website. So once you're on the official website of Shopify, then it will be easier for you to install the application. Now, as you can see, I'm in Shopify website. It's currently in a different language, but that's okay. Right click and change to English. Now, all you have to do is click the three dots on the upper right hand side and go down to apps, and you will see install this as an app. So if you click on that, you'll have this pop-up window here that gives you the option to install. So all you have to do is just go ahead and rename it to Shopify, right? You can always rename this to whatever you want, but I'm going to keep it simple and call it Shopify and hit the install button. And this is going to go ahead and install Shopify on your computer. And as you can see, let me go ahead and close the second window. Shopify is now installed as an app on my computer, right? And as you can see, you can pin it to the taskbar, you can pin it to start, and whatever you want. You can also create even a desktop shortcut if you so desire, and you can see it on my desktop there. So whenever you go back to Shopify website, you can always go ahead and sign in. A trick that I want to share with you as well, guys, is that if you currently using Shopify on your computer and you currently have an account there, you can always go ahead and go to that sign in section where you have the sign in for Shopify. So instead of saying try for free, you'll have your account. You can simply go ahead and you can sign in to your account on Shopify. And once you go ahead and sign in, you can easily go ahead and access your website details there. And as you can see, I can close it and I have Shopify. I can easily access it from my computer anytime I want. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.